Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a mass airflow sensor on a Nissan Altima. First, gather your tools, primarily a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Locate the mass airflow sensor, typically found between the air filter housing and the throttle body. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. Now, let's disconnect the old sensor. Gently squeeze the locking tab on the electrical connector and pull it free. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws that secure the sensor. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the old mass airflow sensor straight up and out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any dirt or debris. It's time to install your new mass airflow sensor. Carefully slide the new sensor into its position, making sure the sensing element faces the air filter. This is crucial for accurate readings. Start the two mounting screws by hand to avoid cross-threading, then snug them up with your screwdriver. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, start your Nissan Altima and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any check engine lights. If no lights appear, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm everything is working correctly. If you had a check engine light before, you might need to clear any stored trouble codes with a code reader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.